One of the things we know through experience, through my response, is kids learn through feedback loops. All right, I want you to think about that. Kid comes in the morning and says, good morning. Let's say I say good morning. Good morning, Jack. It's great to see you. And he says, up yours. I don't want to be here. Right? Your automatic thought goes, you can't talk like that. That's disrespectful. You take a time out. Because, I just took it and I just ate it for lunch. I just ate it for lunch. Now I can say to Jack, just using Jack as an example, I can say to Jack, hey, that's disrespectful. Go stand on the wall and wait till I have time to get to you. That makes me feel better. Or I can say to Jack, whoa, Jack, take a moment if you need to. Good morning, it's good to see you. And Jack walks away. Now you're going to have other adults around you. They're going to say, you let that kid get away with that? But what you did is you shared an experience so Jack experiences a different response to the event he presented. He experienced kindness. He was called out on his behavior. He was called out. Like I said, ooh, Jack, you're having a rough day. Take a moment, all right? Let me know if you need some help. It's good to see you. I responded to the behavior, but I responded to it so differently because I didn't ingest it, that what I hope is through that experience, he eventually changes the way he does business.